Okay, here we have my homemade iPod dock that I made out of the case that the iPod came in, with a Dremel tool and a little super glue. I rigged it up to where it pops in and out of there just perfectly, and cost me nothing other than, well, the iPod was given to me, so it works great. As you can see, I cut a little hole in the back and I cut a little hole in the top to put in the little white piece here with the Dremel tool. Super glued it in, and I had to make a little bigger hole where the cord comes through to this part. If I pull it apart here, that little part right there, there's a hole slot for this, and you have to make it a little bigger and then super glue it in there, and then it just pops right in and out. Now, pretty cool, and it works perfectly. There you have it. Ingenuity at its finest.